How to enable sleep reminders on TikTok. This can be useful if you find yourself using TikTok too late at night and it's affecting, the amount of sleep you get, stuff like that. So start out on your profile page. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy or just look for the gear icon. Scroll down to the Content and Display section, then tap on Activity Center, which has the icon of the clock next to it. On this page, tap on See All Screen Time Data. The third option down will be Sleep Reminders. Go ahead and tap that. Now here you can see a little bit more information on what they are and how they work. You also see that after your sleep time is set, you won't get push notifications for 7 hours after that. So let's set this up. Let's say I'm going to go to bed at 10 p.m. Actually, 10:30. And tap on Done. So you can see my sleep time is now set to 10:30. Once 10:30 comes, if I'm on TikTok, I'll get a notification letting me know that it's time to sleep, and push notifications will be muted. That's all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.